First, open the search menu and type Windows Features. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the window that appears, look for anything related to .NET Framework. Check the boxes next to them and expand each one to ensure everything is selected. Once done, click OK and let Windows update the files for you.
I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Oh, dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. See the fire in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close to the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame.
Once the process is complete, close that window and open the search menu again. Type CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. Now, type in the following command: sfc/scannow. Hit Enter to begin the scan. This might take some time, so be patient. Thousands.
Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. Is there nowhere I remain a danger to me, to you? Going altered by the moment, dear, and the sedation idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in rags. Against my intentions, I let you turn me violent instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
After the scan finishes, close the command prompt. Restart your computer. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.